Hello everyone. At AICT, we are involved in multiple projects and one of them is translation. So here we are going to log into the portal. And at the first time, you will get an prompt to change the password to new password. You can change it to anything new and it will not come again. Once you do that, you have to select all of the options that you have, like what is your mother tongue, what is your name. You can change it if you want. You can select the university that you have studied in. Like right now I'm selecting Galgotia Institute. There is an option if you want to be a validator also. Like if you want to check if the translation that people have provided are good enough, that you can also work as a validator here. You can mention the experience you have and the department you are in. After logging into the page, you will see this page. It has one option of recording the audio, and the document is here, and the original document that you need to convert in the native language, and the output is here. The output is right now it's currently taken by the what is Google is providing, like Google Translation. It is giving you the translation. You don't need to edit everything out of it. You can just change whatever you feel that is not making sense. You can change it according to how it will make sense to the students that is going to get it. Once you make a change, you can change it, like if you find this line to be having some issue. अब हम JDBC के बारे में सीखना शुरू करेंगे. We can copy it from here and then we can paste it here like this. Once you have done this, you can either use this tool or you could use Google Input tool. Google Input tool also have this facility that you can write if you want, like you need something different that is not in the script or you want to type it from your keyboard, you can use it. Once you have completed the translation in native language, the next step is to make the audio version of this transcript in your own voice, the verbal version of it. For that, you need to use the record transcript button. You can click the mic button here and then you can record your voice, reading from the starting of the document and to the end of the document. When you are satisfied with the recording that you have, you can upload it from here. It will give you a prompt that the audio is uploaded. You can use save as draft document option. So when you come back to the document, it will stay like this. And after you're satisfactory with the audio transcript and the text transcript, you can move it to save and send for approval. And this is how it will log you out of the document. You will find a lot of documents with images and formulae. There are equations in the documents and sometimes the equations are not visible properly to the user. Like the translated text doesn't have the exact translation of and sometimes the formula is not visible. So we will just select the formula and we will just copy it to the other document at Ctrl C and Ctrl V and it will be visible here.